Hello everyone. Thank you for taking a bit of time to learn about Ireland's only native reptile, the common lizard. I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about these unique little animals and about where you might find them. But I'm going to warn you now, once you realise how amazing these little animals really are, you might become a bit obsessed by them, just like me. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been out looking for a while. It started out quite cold, but now the sun has come out and things are warming up. And guess who I found? Reptiles are a group of animals that include crocodiles, snakes, turtles, and lizards. There are some species of turtle that visit the seas around Ireland, but the only reptile native to the land here is called the common lizard. We do have one other species of lizard. It's called the slowworm. This is a type of legless lizard that can only be found in a couple of parts of Ireland, but it was introduced here in the 1970s. Our common lizard has been in Ireland since around the last ice age, over 11,000 years ago. The common lizard can be found all the way north into the Arctic Circle, as far east as some Japanese islands, as far south as parts of Iberia, and as far west as Ireland. How can a lizard survive in Ireland's cold, wet climate, you might ask? Well, these are very special lizards that have learned how to cope with colder weather. During the winter months, they hibernate to stay safe from cold weather, sleeping underground or under logs. They may appear briefly during this period, but the best time to see them is roughly from March through to October. When the weather warms in spring, they can be seen soaking up the sun or moving around in the undergrowth. If you didn't know that we have common lizards in Ireland, you might have some questions like, how big are common lizards? Well, I can assure you that you don't have to worry about bumping into a dragon. They're a little shorter than a pencil and only eat things like spiders, flies, insects. What colour are they? Most are brown with dark spots, but some are green or beige, and these colours help them to blend in with their surroundings. Where do they live? On sunny days, keep an eye out for them on old stone walls, banks or old ruins, and in the grass around sand dunes. They also like upland areas, but it can be hard to see them in longer vegetation, so check for them on things like fallen fence posts or stones. Why do lizards lie on rocks? On a warm day, place your hand on a rock that's been in the sun. It feels warm, doesn't it? You see, lizards are cold-blooded, so they use the sun to warm their bodies to allow them to move around. Humans and many animals are warm-blooded. This means that our bodies can keep us warm using the energy from food or exercise. Reptiles, amphibians, and fish are cold-blooded, so their body is the same temperature as the space around them. Now imagine you are a lizard and you are cold. Sitting with your belly on a warm rock will help you warm up, and off you go, just like charging a battery. You might see some lizards looking really flat. They make this shape so more of their body is being hit by the warm sun from above and the warm ground from below. You can test this too. Next time you are outside on a sunny day, hold your hand in the air. Count to 10. Your hand might feel a little warm, or maybe it got cold. Now, try putting your hand flat on a warm stone, flat just like a lizard. Count to 10. You will feel the stone has warmed your hand from beneath and the sun has warmed it from above. Okay, so now you know what lizards look like and where you might find them, so it's time to practice those lizard searching skills. You might have played hide and seek at some point. Well, lizards are the world champions at hide and seek, so good luck. Here is a photo and there's a lizard hiding in there somewhere. Press pause and see if you can find it. I'll show you the answer in the next photo. Did you find it? I'm going to count to 5 and then show you where the lizard is hiding, so get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. That one might have been a little easy. So here's one that might take a little longer. Are you ready? Pause the screen and find our common lizard. Did you find it? I'm going to count down again and then show you where the lizard is hiding, so get ready. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Well done if you found it. Gold star, because that was a tough one. Let's have a closer look. Look at that cute little face. Okay, this is the last one, and I'll be very impressed if you can see it. Press pause and find our common lizard. Did you find it? I'm going to count down again and show you where it is, so get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Wait, what's this? This little lizard was so good at hide and seek that all I could see is its tail peeping out of the grass. That's how good they are at hiding. Okay, let's remember some of the things we learned about lizards. They are Ireland's only native land reptile. They hibernate over winter. As they are cold-blooded, they like to lie in the sun to warm up. They live in places like old stone walls, banks, sand dunes and upland hills, and they are experts at hide and seek. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning all about our common lizards. They really are amazing animals, aren't they? But I'm going to leave you with one really important message. Our common lizards are really small and delicate, so never try and pick them up. Don't try and chase them or catch them, and definitely don't try and catch them by their very delicate tails. They can get hurt really easily, and we want to look after them. Thank you.